good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today we're going to do lemon honey pepper wings, but we're going to do it in the air fryer, guys. So stay tuned. And if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications. And let's get started with some lemon honey pepper wings. Guys, so as always, I'm going to start with my supporting cast. Of course, the main character here is the chicken wings. I got, actually these are already the pre-cut wings that I bought at the store. I just put them in a different container, thawed them out. And then we got some Frank's hot sauce. This is the standard. And I'm really using this for the flavor, not for the heat. And then for the heat, I like the heat of this a little bit better. Slap your mama. If you haven't had this, you need to go check it out. But I get it. You can get it around here. You can also order it off of Amazon if you'd like. And then, of course, you gotta have a little bit of lemon. I got some parsley flakes, some dried parsley flakes, a little bit of a leaf oregano, my honey, a little bit of AP, all-purpose flour, some garlic powder, a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt, and of course, you gotta have the lemon pepper seasoning. Now, this has salt in it, so I'm not going to use a whole lot of pink Himalayan, but this does have a little bit of salt in it, so be careful about your salt intake. But that's really all the ingredients, guys. Let's get started putting this together. First thing I'm going to do is season up the wings a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and douse it with a little bit of pink Himalayan sea salt. Like I said, I don't have to put that much on this. And then we're going to kill it with a little bit of garlic powder. And then we're going to kill it with our lemon pepper seasoning. Give it a nice dose, and I'm going to mix them up and give it another nice dose of the seasoning here. I'm going to drop on a little bit of oregano, and we're going to drop in some parsley flakes. There we go. Now I'm going to use the little shake and bake method here of shaking these up. Alright. Then I'm going to douse them again. It's a little bit of salt. A nice amount of garlic powder. Alright. A little bit of parsley. Now you can put whatever you want to on these wings. You leave that up to you. I'm doing it my way, so you can use my way if you want, but it's all about experimenting. We got my lemon seasoning, my lemon pepper, so I'm going to toss these up again. And that's the seasoning that goes on them. Alright, so we're going to douse these with just a little bit of flour. Just a little bit of flour, just to give them a coating. Alright. Get that flour coating on all of them. And I'm going to stir them up a little bit with my tongs. And I'm going to add just a little bit more flour on this, guys. They don't have to be coated like you're coating a pork chop or anything, but they just got to have a little bit on them. There it goes. Now they're getting nice. Alright, so we're going to let those sit and marinate for a second. We're going to move over here to the air fryer for just a moment. I'm over here at the air fryer. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the bottom really good so the wings don't stick on the bottom here. And I'm probably going to have to do all these wings in about 2 batches. So spray the bottom really good so it doesn't stick. And I'm going to preheat my air fryer here. Slide it in, and I'm going to set it at 360 just for a preheat. Doesn't really matter what setting it's on, but we're just going to preheat it for about 5 minutes. Guys, so while I'm preheating the oven, the air fryer here, I'm going to go ahead and start my sauce here. So I'm going to add, first thing is a half a cup of, well, a cup of honey here. It's going to be a full cup of honey. It's half a cup. And there's a whole cup. Get all of it out of here. And the next thing we're going to add is a half a cup of lemon juice. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. And about 2 teaspoons of your lemon pepper seasoning. And then I'm going to go in with my red hot sauce. Matter of fact, I'm going to take the lid off of this one. About a teaspoon, maybe a tad bit more. And you can use that, use that at your discretion. Whatever you like, flavor you like. Then I'm putting in about a half a teaspoon of Slap Your Mama. Because I like that heat a little bit. We're just going to heat this up on the stove. And that's your sauce. So I'm going to stir it around in here just a little bit. And that's going to be the sauce or the glaze that's going to go on top of the wings. Guys, back over here at the air fryer. Oh yeah, it's heated up nicely. So now I'm going to put my wings in there. I'm not going to crowd this. I'm just going to do a layer here. Probably have to do this in a couple batches. Alright, so we're just going to lay them in here like this. I think I can get one more in there. Come here. There we go. So you see I got my wings in there. So we're just going to put them in the air fryer. Alright, so we're going to move this to 380. And we're going to set it for 30 minutes. There we go. 30 minutes. I'll be back in a matter of YouTube time. Half a second. But we're going to be 30 minutes waiting for this. We're back here. And I pulled out the wings. Look how nice these things look. So I'm going to flip them over a little bit. These wings are done. They're absolutely done, but I want to get a little brownness on the other side, so I'm going to put them back in for about 5, maybe 6 minutes or so. Look at these wings, man. Look at these wings. Flip, and I'm going to throw them right back in for about another 5 minutes or so. 5 minutes has elapsed. Look at these bad boys. Oh my Lord, look at these. I'm going to take these out and put them on a tray here. Then I'm going to throw my glaze over top of them that I got. And I'll plate them up here for you. Alright, so I got my wings here on my tray here. And I'm just going to sauce them up. Throw some of that lemon pepper honey glaze on them. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Look at that glaze. Boy. Honey lemon pepper wings in the air fryer. Don't get much better than that, but you know what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting to take that bite. Honey lemon pepper wings in the air fryer. Don't get a whole lot better than this, guys. But you know what I'm waiting on? I'm waiting to take that bite. Let me get a little drum at there. And by the way, you guys comment. Let me know what you like better, the drum or the wing part. Let me know which one you guys like. I prefer the drum, but I'll eat it all. Oh Lord. Boy, y'all be ashamed yourself. Hey guys, you have to try these. Let's give them a try. I like the air fryer, 30 minutes in and out. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.